See if we can unlock it. Easy breezy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install these beautiful, modern, and chic door locks. And we're going to put them on our patio door. Now, they got 3 keys in here. They come in multiple packages, which is what we got. We got a bunch, so we can swap out all of them. But anyways, I'm going to show you exactly how to install these with a plate on the door, so they're nice and tight. So here's what it looks like on a white door. And it's a very heavy duty feel with these because it's a nice quality handle. It's nice and thick, and there is a lot of tightness to it, so it feels like it's gonna last. Stay tuned for the whole video. So this lever will fit 35mm to 45mm door thicknesses. The latch is adjustable. It does extend from 60 to 70mm. You are provided with striker plate. This goes inside your door. A very modern look. It's a square look. It's not a rounded look. So when you put this inside the door, you want to make sure that this is on its side and this is on its side as well. And then when you place it inside the door, do it this way. All right. Otherwise, you're gonna have issues. We also gave you a template so you can drill your own hole. This is not rounded edges like this was rounded. We needed to go and just cut a little bit out so this would fit. Right, there you go. And then you put the 2 screws in. This thing here has to always be facing the outside. So if the door's opening outside, you want this thing there. Next, you want to make sure that you place this through the outside and through the center hole, and then the sides are just going to go right through. Right? It's not going to be any struggle there. Now you take 2 of these provided screws, make sure you put it on this position so this flat piece can slide in. And I would also put 1 screw in, the one on this side, and try and guide that in as you're putting it in. And it would just make it a lot easier. There you go. See? And now I can just take this, put that one in. All right, so both screws are in. This is in. Let's see here. It works. Lock it. Works. 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 So if we close it, it should kind of go in, and then it should catch, and it does. All right, so this is the final piece. Now you put this right here, but we are gonna need to cut this out to make sure that it fits. There we go. So our plate's installed. Now you'd have to rip down. You always want the sloping end facing the inside of the house, and this little thing on the outside, because that is what's actually being caught on this plate here. So what we want is we want it to close like that. Let's see if we can unlock it. Easy breezy. And it looks great. And then this we could set to lock automatically, and that still blocks it. So that is how to install these beautiful high quality matte black door locks. Thanks for watching.